Hello students. Now we are starting unit 2 solutions from your textbook. Now this is the notes that I will give you when we start the lectures regularly. Okay, this type of notes you will get. For each chapter we will give you the notes. These notes are well prepared so that you can understand and remember all the concepts easily. But meanwhile, during the lockdown period, I will give you the PDF of these notes on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so let's start unit 2 solutions. Now as we know, what do you have already studied what is the solution. Solution, that means we have two parts, two components. One is solute and second one is solvent. Now we have already studied in 9th, 10th and 11th that what is solute. In solution, whatever the amount, whatever the component which is in less amount, in smaller amount, that is called a solute, and the component which is in greater amount, that is called a solvent. Or we can say the substance which will dissolve, that is a solute, or the substance in which we will dissolve, that is called a solvent. So here binary solution, the new word is there. A binary solution is solution which consists of only two components. Binary solution is consist of only of two components, one solute and other solvent. Only two components, not two solutes. Suppose we are preparing a salt and a sugar in water, then it is not a binary solution. Salt and water is a binary solution. Sugar and the water, that is a binary solution. So only two components should be there. Now it's a very basic idea how many types of solutions we have. The first is gaseous solution, liquid solution and solid solution. The types of the solution is decided on the types of the solvent. If solvent is in gaseous, if solvent is gas, then it is called gaseous solution. If solvent is liquid, then it is called liquid solution. If solvent is in solid, then it is called a solid solution. Now we have three variations. Solvent is fixed, gas, but now we have three variations: solid, liquid and gas. Liquid solution contains liquid as a solvent, but now we have three variations for the solute: solid, liquid and gas. Again for solvent, now solid solvent, we have solid, and now we have three variations for solid, liquid and gas. So now let's check the example. First of all, gaseous solution. Gaseous solution, that means a solute will dissolve in gas, just like iodine in water. Solid solute dissolved in gas, that means iodine in solution, iodine in air, that is a gaseous solution. Liquid dissolves in gas, water vapor in air, just like a fog that we can see in nature. Gas dissolved in gas, mixture of gases, that we know that the air is a mixture of so many gases: oxygen, nitrogen, H2O, CO2, whatever. So it is gas dissolved in gas, not H2O actually. H2O in air is liquid in gas. So we can say CO2, NO2, N2O, all the gases dissolved in gas, then it is a mixture of gases. Now liquid solution. Solid dissolved in liquid. Well known example: sugar in water, salt in water. Liquid dissolved in liquid, that is alcohol in water, that we are using right now as during the corona virus. We are using the sanitizer, that is a 65% alcohol. So what is the meaning of 65% alcohol? That we'll learn in this chapter. And again, but we have already studied in 11th class 65%, that means it is a concentration. 65% is concentration. It can be W per W, W per V, molarity, normality, all that we will doing now. Gas dissolved in liquid, that is CO2 gas in water. Now, can you imagine one example of CO2 gas in water? Yes. Now, in this lockdown, you and me all are missing this. Yes, what? Can you guess what? Yes, it's a Pepsi, Thumbs Up, all aerated waters. They are CO2 in gas. Now, solid solution. That means it contains solid as a solvent. Now, solid dissolved in solid. There is alloys, brass, bones, gold. Because in gold we are adding copper and silver. So it's alloy. Alloy is mixture of two solids. Now liquid in solid. That is amalgam. That is mercury in zinc. That is called zinc amalgam. Gas in solid. That is H2 gas adsorb on the palladium or platinum. Adsorption. So now what is adsorption and absorption? That we'll learn in 12th class now. Okay, so H2 gas is adsorb on the palladium. So these are the types of the solutions. Okay, so now let's go ahead. The concentration terms. Yes, it's a concentration terms. That means this we have already studied in 11th class also. When I talked about alcohol, 65% alcohol, that means 65% is a concentration. So in next video, we will discuss about the concentration terms, different concentration terms. So let's go for the second video.